Many people enjoy making things with their hands. Carving spoons is a great example of this. You start with a simple piece of wood and turn it into something useful and beautiful. A handmade spoon is something special. It shows your skill and creativity, and it's a joy to use every day. You'll need a few tools to carve a spoon. A carving knife is the most important tool. You'll also need a whittling knife for the small details. A gouge is useful for removing larger pieces of wood. A solid workbench is important, and you'll need a piece of wood to carve. First, choose your wood. Hardwoods like maple and cherry are good for spoons. Draw your spoon design on the wood. Use your carving knife to roughly shape the wood. Then, use your whittling knife to refine the shape and carve the bowl of the spoon. Sand the spoon smooth and finish it with a food-safe oil. Start with a simple spoon design. Don't try to carve too much wood at once. Keep your carving tools sharp and be patient. Spoon carving takes time and practice, but the result is worth it.